Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim the daily credits on Temu. For this you need the Temu app, okay? You cannot do this on your browser for your PC. Just go ahead and install the app. You can find this on the Play Store, right? Go ahead and install it and then just launch the app. All you need to do first, of course, they'll ask you to do a security verification. We'll do this. So horse's hoof, find car's wheel, car's headlight, there we go, car's license plate. Alright, validation successful. Now all you need to do is this, okay? I'll click on Don't Allow right here. Just come here and search for claim credit. That's all you need to do, okay? Now there you go. We got credit here. Okay, perfect. And now we just have to wait for that much time. There you go. There is a timer. So we have already claimed. Really that easy and simple, guys, okay? Okay, there we go. It's even giving us a free item. That's nice for credit. So I can pick this one. I actually had added this one to my cart, my wish list. So I'll go ahead and pick this one. Perfect. And there we go. We got credit back as well, right? Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.